Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unfollow everyone on Instagram at once. Let's start. At first, you have to open your Instagram app. Now tap on your profile. Here at your profile, you guys can see your post, your followers, and also your followings. Now tap on the following, and in here you guys can find out a lot of categories. At the top you guys can see list interacted with. Here you guys can find out the people that you are list interacted. So to unfollow them, tap on here. Then you guys can unfollow them one by one. You guys can also find out the other categories. From here you guys can also unfollow them. Then you guys can find out the people who are sorted by your default. You guys can also unfollow them if you want to. You can't unfollow more than 200 users per day. So if you want to unfollow the users, you have to keep in mind then. This is how you guys can unfollow everyone on Instagram at once. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.